Hi, today I'm going to do an experiment with you. It's called the collapsing can. So let's get started. For this experiment, you're going to need a heat source, and I'm going to use a pan. You'll need a couple cans, maybe more if you want to. Just empty. I've emptied and rinsed them out. You'll need some tongs to handle the cans when we have them heated. And then I have prepared some ice water in another bowl nearby. I also have some extra water right here, just at room temperature. So to start the activity, you're going to pour in just a little bit of water into the can. You're going to turn on your heat source. So right now I've placed 2 cans on the pan. The heat is on, and I'm going to wait till that water boils inside the can. So I'm starting to see some bubbles and see in the can, I can see it starting to bubble. So it's boiling. So that water is changing into water vapor. They're both boiling now. Let them get really good and boiling. So you'll need an adult to do this, but you're going to take the can, you're going to pinch it, and then you're going to put the top side down into the cold water. And I want you to see what happens to the can. And then you'll notice there's lots of water in that can. But notice what happened to the can. Let's do this other one. I can hear it bubbling. The water is boiling. I can see the water vapor coming out. It's boiling in there. I'm going to pinch the can, and that was a good one. So notice the can is crushed. Notice how the can is changed, because when I put it in the cold water, it changed the pressure. And because I had evaporated the water inside and the air molecules were all spread out, when I put it in the cold water, it basically clinches together or squeezes that can, the pressure. It's great. Okay, so I am seeing the water boiling in this can, and that one not yet. So I'm gonna wait a second. You wanna make sure the water is boiling pretty well. The water is evaporating, it's coming out of that can. The molecules are all spread out. And then when I place the can in the cold water, those molecules come together and they change drastically, because it's a big change. And that is what makes the can collapse. That one looks like it's ready, so I'm gonna pick up the can and quickly place it in the water. I placed it in the cold water and it collapsed really nicely. I'm ready to put it in the cold water, and it collapses. I have collapsed 4 different cans because I heated up the water. It turned into water vapor. Those molecules spread out, and then putting it in that cold water changes the pressure and collapses it.